I'm here today with a Sephora haul. I have some new goodies. Some of these are new releases. Some of them are things that have been on Sephora that I'm just like now getting into. So if you are new, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy this video and decide to stay a while. Don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave, and let's jump right into the haul. First thing is this Kosas BB Burst. It's actually what's on my skin today. It is so beautiful and I'm like obsessed. I originally purchased it from Nordstrom, but the shade was way too light, so I returned it. Sephora had this shade in 32 medium deep neutral warm, and it's perfect. It's so pretty. It looks amazing on the skin. Really enjoying that today. The Salt and Stone deodorant. I've been seeing Salt and Stone all over Instagram and TikTok, and so I thought I'd give it a shot. This is in bergamot and hinoki, and it's their solid deodorant. I just find with natural deodorants, typically they just don't work for me, but we're gonna give this a go. If you guys have tried the Salt and Stone, let me know if you liked it, if it worked for you. Then Skylar came out with a new hair mist. This one is Boardwalk Delight. This has vanilla, cotton candy, and coconut milk. It is super sweet, so yummy. Oh my gosh, it is like sweet cotton candy vanilla dreams. It's really nice. So any of my girls out there who love sweet candy scents, you will love that. I think it'll be a really fun pairing scent for the summer. Then I got a bunch of Makeup by Mario lip liners. I've been really into their lip liners lately. I have just been loving the color Smoky Pink. That one I've used a ton. I have our Spiced Chai, and they do come with a sharpener, so make sure you don't throw those away when you open the packaging. So Spiced Chai is a really nice kind of cooler toned, darker nude. Then we have Almond, which is what's on my lips today. I really like that almond shape, or almond color. It's a little bit more cooler toned. Then we have Burnt Sienna, which is going to be more of a warmer pink. And then next is Rich Mauve. That one right there. And lastly, Tan. And these are just such nice lip liners. I really, really do enjoy those. And then I picked up a new primer. This is Iconic London Velvet Smooth, and this is their pore primer. Now I got this because I just thought it'd be nice to get a new primer. I haven't bought a new pore primer in a while to just put right here in my T-zone, and this is super silky. It does really fill in the fine lines. When I swatched it on my hand, it filled in the fine lines. So I might try it under my eyes and see how I like that, if it, you know, works well. And you guys know I love Summer Fridays. They came out with a new lip balm, which I literally have every single one they've ever came out with. I love them. They're in my car, they're in my purse, they're here in my vanity, they're by my bed, they're by my sink. These are just my favorite. This is the new birthday cake one. It's supposed to have some shimmer in it. I don't really notice a ton of shimmer, but I love these, and shimmer or not, I'm a fan. And I can't remember if I showed in a recent haul the new Day dry shampoo, but I purchased that, and then they also came out with a brush for it. So it's not an aerosol can, it's like a puffy one with dust that goes everywhere. My daughter spilled like half of it on my floor. I was like, oh no. Anyways, they have this brush, and then you can kind of work it into your roots. So I just thought, well, we'll try that, because I have used it a few times before this brush came in, and it is really great at absorbing oil, but for dark hair you really got to rub it in. So I'm wondering if this might help, you know, really get it into the like your hair and absorb it a little better. Also picked up another one of these Milk Makeup little jelly cooling stains. I already have the 3 other shades that I bought from TikTok Shop, and this one was sold out. So when I saw it on Sephora, I decided to pick this one up. This one is in Spritz, and it's a really fun orange. Now this is just like the most interesting consistency. And I do have a first impressions that will be going on my TikTok and my Instagram. So if you aren't following those, it's just Shades of Cassie on Instagram and Cassie Thatcher on TikTok. So if you guys want to see that, I do a lot more like first impressions or like quick videos. And sometimes it's just easier to do, like I do lips of the day or lip combos or face of the day. So that's just like a really great place if you want more content to go over there, because I post a lot of stuff on there that you don't see on here. And then lastly, I picked up 2 perfumes. This is to review on mine and Sam's Instagram and TikTok, which is With Sam and Cass. If you love fragrance stuff, you love everything perfume and smelling good, you'll really enjoy the content that we put up there. So it is My Way by Giorgio Armani. This is the Nectar. It's a brand new release. And then Flower Bomb Tiger Lily. So these will both be reviewed over there. So make sure you guys check that out. And the last thing is this Giorgio Armani Fluid Sheer Glow Enhancer. Now the shade that I've been seeing on TikTok is shade 11. That's been sold out. So I decided to get shade 10 and it's super pretty. I think this will be really gorgeous to wear under makeup, or, you know, really mixing if you're gonna put something on your chest or your like décolleté, mixing it on there. It just is a really pretty glowy, kind of bronzy color, and it just is absolutely stunning. So for my haul, I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know in the comments any reviews you would like to see, or if there's like a specific video you guys are interested in, please let me know, because I do take all of your guys' suggestions for videos or video requests, and I have them in like a little notepad, and I'm just kind of plugging through each of those. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!